Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Adyen for payment UI optimization for US users. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize payment UI for US users with Adyen, start by accessing the Adyen dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Select API credentials to create new credentials if you haven't already. Click on New API Credential. Choose the appropriate API key type based on your needs. Fill in the required fields, including name and permissions, and then save the changes. Next, go to the Payment Methods section. Review the list of payment options available for US users. Enable the payment methods most commonly used in the US market, such as credit cards and digital wallets. Proceed to the Checkout section to customize the payment experience. Select the Payment UI option to configure settings for an optimized user interface. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity while ensuring usability. Test the UI using the Adyen's test environment to check for any issues. Utilize the provided testing tools to simulate various payment scenarios. Once satisfied, move to the Integrations tab to set up your preferred integration method. Choose between hosted payment pages or API integration based on your technical capabilities. Follow the specific documentation for your chosen integration method to ensure accuracy. After integration, complete a few test transactions to verify functionality. Check for any discrepancies and optimize the user experience as needed. Finally, once everything is working smoothly, switch your environment to live. Encourage your team to monitor the dashboard regularly for performance metrics and user feedback. Maintain an ongoing optimization routine to adapt to user needs and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.